Hey guys, long time no see. I'm hungry, but I want some dessert. I haven't been doing dessert. I've been being good, but I'm hungry for dessert. So I saw a recipe for this dessert called peach buckle. I know it's a down home recipe, but I'm going to do just half a recipe. Now, if you do the recipe, and I know you're probably doing it for more than yourself, do the whole recipe. Just double what I'm doing today. So I've got half a cup of flour. You do a whole cup. Just double what I'm doing. Okay. All right. I've already melted a half stick of butter in the cast iron skillet because this should be cooked in a cast iron skillet. So I've done that. And I've already got my two peaches cut up. They want them cut. Uh, they want them half and pitted and sliced a 1/4 inch thick. Okay. And then this we're gonna put half a cup of granulated sugar plus a tablespoon. And I have a half cup of all-purpose flour right in here. And we're going to do the rest of this ourselves. We're going to add a teaspoon. Let me let you see what I'm doing here. Right here. Oh boy. Add a teaspoon of baking powder. I got all out of there like that, but you know how to measure baking powder. They always got that little aluminum piece across there so you can level it out. Add that in there. And this is weird. They want for this recipe. Okay. And just a tip, guys. I keep my baking powder in the freezer. That keeps it fresh longer. And that makes it last longer and it works better. Okay? Okay, let's continue this. And a pinch, and this is weird, of sea salt. So, there's my sea salt. I've shown you that before. So, let's get that, just a pinch of sea salt. Okay, the rest in there. Alrighty, I don't think I'm going to need that. Alright. And we take our whisk. And we'll whisk all that together. Okay. Okay, I've already marinated the peaches in the sugar. So we did that part. Okay, we put our milk in here and whisk that together. Okay. Let it in and get that whisked together. I wish I had a smaller skillet, but I don't. I only have the 10-inch, which it calls for the full recipe. But I don't have it like that. I got small stuff, a big stuff. But you know what? I'll tell you what. I'm just going to have to use this little smaller skillet that I have. It's not going to be done in there like that. So, okay, we got our batter whipped up. Okay, we got our milk in there. Now we're going to add our vanilla, a half a teaspoon. Okay, here we go. Put this in there. It's a new bottle. I go through it so quick. can't wait to taste this. This is going to be so good. Okay. And I put my top on right away or I'll knock it over. No me. With that in there. All right. Got our vanilla in there. Okay, we're going to put our butter in. I got it right here. Dish towel to hold that. Mix that in there. Oh. Oh boy. All right. Mix that in there. And I'll let my butter get a little bit dark. It's not burning, just really nutty. Okay. Peaches. Okay. And then I think that can be, I'll put just a little water in there. Just to thin it out just a little bit. Because my batter is extremely. And see what made it. My recipe, I didn't use whole milk. So you can take any recipe, make it your own. To make my milk I use a 1/4 cup of half and half and a 1/4 cup of 2% milk to make my 1/2 cup of milk. So see, that's what made it mine. And I browned the butter. So, okay, let's get this in. Get my spatula. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. Get this batter in here. Yeah, fit this skillet a whole lot better. And I think it'll come out a whole lot better using this skillet. Now, so I got my spatula. I want all of it out because this is going to be good. Okay. And I don't have sanding sugar, so I'm going to use regular granulated sugar. That's something I've got to pick up because I'm excited about using it. It makes things look so pretty. All right, I'm going to just smooth mine in here. Here we go. I'll let you see what I'm doing here. Get all that batter, because that's what's going to crisp up and be so pretty and brown. Okay. Over here and get that off my hand. There we go. A clean paper towel. Let you see what I'm doing. Clean this up off the sides. Now that you see the batter in there. Now what you do, you get your peaches, which I've already got marinated in the sugar. Okay. Okay, and then we top this with the peaches. I guess you just put them on there. But you know me, I gotta be decorative. Okay, see, I can see what I'm doing here. I'm just being decorative. See? Let's put them in there. I figure the more peaches, of course, the better. And what's going to happen, guys, is the batter is going to bake up over the peaches and become crisp. The batter's going to be very crisp. Uh-oh. Let water get in there. And I'm mix that up. Now No, it didn't say do that, so I'm not going to do that. I was going to add the peach juice, but it didn't not say do that. Boy, I think I did something wrong. You know what I did wrong? See, I'll tell you when I did wrong. Do that. I didn't add the sugar. I sure didn't. So I'm going to take my peaches back off. And they're not sticking to the batter either. I got to add the sugar. I didn't add it. And sugar's still in the bowl. Everybody make mistakes. I'm not going to turn the camera off and act like I didn't add it because I didn't. I did add it because I didn't. And I just taste the batter. It's not sweet, so this was supposed to be added. There we go. Now, get my whisk back and put that right on in there and add it. I'll whisk it right in that skillet. There we go. See? It even loosened up the batter. I thought the batter looked kind of thick. There we go. Now, that's the way it's supposed to look. See? No, that wouldn't have been too good without sugar. Okay. That's all it is. Now, you know what though? I'm going to taste it. That's a big difference, but I'm going to tell you something. I can use a little more vanilla. Just a touch, not a whole lot. I want this to be good. A little bit more. Okay. Rinse that off. See there? And I'm going to put a pinch of my own salt in here to wake it up. And that's all to it. And now let's put that, add that, and wake the batter up. It was kind of bland, guys. Yeah, that's why you put your own stuff in there and make it your own recipe. See? I know. That looks a lot, even look better. There we go. Get a little bit off here and taste it. There we go, guys. There we go. Now, we'll put our peaches back. Okay. Let's see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm on that side so we can squeeze them in there good. There we are, y'all. I told you I'm going to be real with you. If I mess up, I'm going to let you know I messed up. Now, I want this to be good because it looks so good when they made it. Now, it's going to be good when I make it. There we go. Now, there's that paper towel. Let's get a clean one. Go around and clean it up. And it goes into a 350 oven for 50 to 55 minutes, y'all. There we go. There we are. Now, there we go. Let's get it up. Put it in there. Okay, let's see. It's 458. Get it on. Let's get it on. Okay. Now. Okay. Oh boy. There we go. Now, I'll boil some eggs. Let this go. I'll clean up later. I'm gonna make a salad. Put some chuck roast. I cooked on Sunday on top of it. Yeah. Now, there we go. I've got some good veggies to go with it. On our salad, and get my salad spinner down. Of course, we gotta wash it and spin it. There we go. I can enjoy a good dessert because I have a salad for dinner. You know, I don't plan on making that much, but when I say that, I always go way overboard and make too much. Okay. Put stuff on soap. Get out my way. It'd be easier to wash when you do that. Okay, excuse me for a second. I'm going to get this skillet because it's full of butter. Dissolve that butter. It'd be very easy to wash. And the bowl that I mixed that batter in, I want to get that. Get that batter out of there. Put some dishwater in there. Dishwater dissolve all that. And it won't be hard to wash. I'll make my salad. Alright. There we go. There. Make that dishwater. I'll wash the rest of my dishes. First, we're going to make the salad. Good. Alrighty. Right now. Table clean. Ready to do some veggies. Out the way. Alright. Alrighty. Guess we can just throw in a salad spinner. I have a shallot. I like some of that in my salad. I love onion flavor. Let's squeeze a little lemon juice. And you know, I meant to get some ranch dressing. I would like it savory, but I forgot, so I'm not going to worry about it. Let me grab a knife and a veggie peeler. There we go. There we go. Okay. And got my eggs, so they'll be ready. Slice, put on top of the salad. Plan on being up too late tonight. I got to get up very early in the morning. Get Hannah to daycare before I go to work. So, there we go. Now, let's go to work on this. Oh, need some salad for them. Oh boy. I think, actually, I don't want that much. I'll use this. All my bowls are so big. Ah! Let's go to work, guys. Okay. Let me grab some napkins. How you guys been? I've been all right. I got a new hairstyle. I hope you like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I have been trying to get my hair done. Finally, I got that done last night. I had a really long day yesterday. I'm telling you. I had work and then therapy. Then we got my hair done. But I was surprised it didn't take as long as I thought it would. It was done in a couple hours. I was really surprised. I thought it would take him a lot longer. His hairstylist named Sadidi. He's very good. I trust him. And I haven't trusted a hairstylist in, well, over a year. Because the two that I trusted had second, third degree burns in my head. I lost all my hair almost. And I've been nurturing my scalp. And I grew quite a bit of my hair back. But he tells me I've been using the wrong hair care products. So he's ordered me some of what he uses. And I trust him. Because he came to my house to do my hair. And he was upset with the condition of my hair. He said I hadn't really been taking care of it as well as I thought I was. So, okay. Now this is romaine lettuce. I'm kind of skeptical. You know, they recalled it not too long ago. People were getting E. coli. So, but it was the smallest and the most quality one I saw today, so I grabbed it. Keep your fingers crossed. That's why you pray over your food. And hope nothing happens. You never know. That in there. All right. That done. I've got some tomatoes. I'm gonna get them here if I can get them open. Goodness. That's about all I have to wash. So, excuse me again. Let me rinse my lettuce and dry it. Put these over here. Sprayer. That was clean anything, honey. Then a little bit more lettuce. A little bit more lettuce. No, that's enough. I got enough tomatoes. I'm gonna have those. But guys, remember, wash your fruits and veggies very well. You have to. I've got a Bosch pear and a Honeycrisp apple. I like fruit in my salad. Okay. You know what type of pesticides they're putting on your food. You have to be careful. Okay. Check it. Just a little bit more spinning. Okay, there we go, guys. And then, put your bowl, put your salad in. These back up, and they ask on the thing, do not refrigerate me. Because they say when you refrigerate tomatoes, they lose all their flavor. Okay, so we'll just leave those on the table. Dry off the paper towel a bit. Anything wet as far as food. Running watery salad, I don't think so. So we'll have those. And dry on my lettuce. As dry as possible. And come and call. I don't want to be bothered right now. I just want to be with my viewers. I haven't been with you guys for a minute. That's what we're gonna do. Hang out. Okay, that's pretty dry. Come in there. that. Okay. Put that there. Now let's cut up some shallots. I put my tomatoes on last. Let you see. Can't see them. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful tomatoes. They're so pretty. Not a bruise on one of them. I'm lucky. Got lucky today. Instead of green onion today, we'll do a little shallot. Take a little bit off of him so we keep him stable too. Okay, don't use that much. Okay. Get that open because I might not even use that much. Let's see if our rule apply like the onion. If we can do it. Yep, it sure does. While I was at work today, one of the educators came in. I have a few at work that follow my channel. And he told me that he watched the onion chopping tip. And he liked it a lot. He said he'd never seen it. And it did work. He used it. I hope you guys tried it. Because it does work. It really works. As you can see right here. It does work. That's enough onion for me. That's plenty. I'm making a huge salad, remember? And I'll just get my roast beef out and warm it a little bit. Slice some off and warm it up a little bit. Let's see, I didn't need, oh, that thing is fresh. Let's get him wrapped up. And get my table wiped up. So we won't have to get that gas from that shallot.